Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery health on your Dell Latitude 7410 laptop. So the easiest way to check your battery health without installing any additional applications is by opening the start menu, searching for command prompt. To do that, input CMD in your search path. Run this program as administrator, click yes, and in the following field input powercfg spacebar slash battery report. Run this command by pressing enter and you will get a path as a result. Select this path like this and then right click to copy it. Then you can either open your file explorer or any web browser that you have on your computer, input this path into the path field, press enter, and you will get the battery report for your battery. It's a pretty long list of statistics and battery usage information, but we don't need all of that. To check battery health, all you have to do is compare the design capacity of your battery to your full charge capacity. The design capacity is the stock capacity of your battery, while the full charge capacity is the current one. So as you can see, the stock or the original capacity is 50 watts an hour, and the full charge capacity is 22 watts an hour, which means that this battery is drained by more than a half of its original capacity, which means that it's heavily worn out. And yeah, at this point it's definitely the time when I'd have to replace this battery. Unfortunately there is no specific number for me to tell you at which point you should consider replacing your battery, but yeah, in this case it's pretty obvious. But if you have like 40 watts an hour of full charge capacity, 30 watts an hour, it's up to your consideration on whether or not you have to replace your battery. Though if you want a more user-friendly view and also the recommendation, you can download the official software from Dell, which is called Dell Power Manager. So just Google it or use any other search engine to find it. Find the official Dell website that says Dell Power Manager. On this website, scroll down to download Dell Power Manager, and in order to download this program, you're gonna have to enter your device's service tag or your device's model. So you can either input Dell Latitude 7410 here, or find your service tag, which is a more reliable way actually. So just find your service tag on the back cover of your device. You can find a more detailed video on our channel on how to do that, either by finding it physically on your laptop or by entering BIOS and finding it there. So once you find your service tag or model name, input it into this field and you will get transferred to the following page where you're gonna have to select your operating system. In my case it's Windows 11. Then click submit and click download to download the installation file, and run this file and proceed with the installation process. I'm not gonna do this right now. I have this program on my PC already, but the installation process is pretty simple. You just click next until it's installed, and then run this application. Well, after the installation it will run automatically, but if it didn't, just find it in your apps list by opening Start menu, go into all applications, then navigate to D letter and find Dell Power Manager. Open this application. It will take a minute for it to start running for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's only on my PC. Maybe it's this way only on my PC, but yeah, it takes some time. Okay, and once the app starts running, just hover over this icon to check your battery health. In my case it says fair, and it says that my battery is able to charge normally, but it's reaching the end of its usable life, and it suggests a replacement. So yeah, it's just a kind recommendation that I should replace my battery as soon as possible. But here you can see that this battery is drained by half of its original capacity, and it's, in my opinion, a more user-friendly look at the battery. You can also this app is pretty useful, so you can leave it on your PCs, since here you can adjust your, for example, charging setting and choose one of the 5 different charging modes for your PC. In my case, I have the custom charging selected, which limits the battery to save its life. You can also go to more advanced features in this to adjust your battery settings even more. So yeah, it's a cool program. I recommend leaving it on your PC and using it, well, once to set your battery's charging routines at least. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.